Wow. So, got that all off. Every bit of this whole entire thing is completely rotten. It just kept getting worse and worse. And one of the middle window broke, which that's whatever the rope I had on there popped, and that dropped to the ground. And all that's completely shot. It needs to be reworked. So, I'm going to completely rebuild everything and put it back together. So, we'll see you when I get the rest of this crap off. Okay, there we go. You can see a little bit now, but main reason why I'm doing this is because I can't see out the cabin. This is what you see is about what I see out of her. Now right there is how much I see out of her. So that's got to come down. All this has to come off. The back's gonna stay. The back's gonna be the same. Can't leave that one. Redo all these. Redo all this, and I'm gonna put a Western house on her and come off of here and put my steering wheel. I'll probably put that wheel in the house. I'm kind of fond of it. Wow. Want me to do it? Interesting fact. This boat was built as an open skiff. And that needs redone now. Good enough. Until I come around here and find more just stuff wrong with her. So, that's what you originally would have seen looking out of her. How about that? Phew, what a big difference. We'll get her all cleaned up and new cabin on. It'll take but a couple of days. Get the frame done. Ready to go. So, this is the layout I chose here for the new cabin. Meant to take some video, but I was pretty busy and it's been so stinking hot. I just don't want to have to do more than I got to. Mess with the camera in this heat is just a bit much. So, this is a setup I got here, similar to a boat I used to have. Kind of stand offset. I can see the stem head now, which is nice. I still got enough room I can come over here. See the whole bow cap and stuff. Got a secondary starter switch in case one goes out. Oil pressure, hydraulic pressure, temperature, voltmeter. These here just for the look. Basically, this is going to be temperature. I got another temperature gauge coming today, and voltmeter is going to work as well. This runs your lights for the dash panel, and this will be the navigation lights. This will be the spotlight that's going to go on there. There's going to be bilge-pump switches over there. So that's that set up. Take you outside and see how it looks. It looks kind of funny with all the windows open on her, but I gotta put 2 new windows in it still and fix that mess. Looks pretty good though so far. It'll look good when all the stuff's done to the cabin and the waste is continued. Give them there for now, so I'm gonna wait till this evening, do a bit more work. It's getting hot already, so I'll bring it all back then.